Hello guys, welcome to another interesting video in the code mode. Today we are going to learn about how we can install NVM in our MacBook. To install the NVM, first of all we should have Homebrew installed in our MacBook. So if Brew is not installed, you can watch my another video. So it's an easy and quick tutorial. It will take about 1.5 minutes. So you can continue this tutorial after that. Let's start. Open browser and search NVM install. Click on the first link. Just copy and paste it in your terminal. Alright, copy this command to set the path variable. It will resolve NVM not found error. Alright, so the path is set. I have cleared my terminal and we can test our NVM just by installing the latest Node version. NVM install Node. If the path variable is not set, then it will give NVM not found, but if NVM is in the path variables, it will just install the Node version. Alright, Node is installed. So if you want to see more interesting video, please follow and subscribe this channel. Have a nice day.